Hi, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn a simple pumpkin into a no-sew fabric pumpkin using Shannon fabrics. They're super awesome. It's under $20 and lots of fun. So all you need are fabrics that are fuzzy, hot glue gun, scissors, and a pumpkin. Let's get started. So we got a foam pumpkin at Hobby Lobby, and we want to make sure that you get a pumpkin that you can take the stem off. So on the stem, you can just twist and just pull it out. It'll just come right out. And there's some foam in here. That's how you know it's foam. And we're just gonna kind of clean it off a little bit. You wanna make the hole as big as possible because you're gonna be putting fabric in here. So you need room for it to go in. To find out how much fabric we need, first you'll measure your pumpkin. My pumpkin is about 6 inches wide by 4 inches tall. So I've measured my pumpkin. You're gonna take 6 plus 4 times 2. So width plus height times 2. So 6 plus 4 is 10 times 2 is 20. So we are going to cut a 20-inch square, and that's what we're going to make our pumpkin with. We have our Minky. We put the fuzzy side down and the flat side on the top, and we're going to first just make sure that the 20-inch square is about correct. So we have enough room this way. We're going to try this way, and it fits. So now we're going to cut this in a circle, but first, before you cut your circle, just make sure it's big enough. Now we're going to take our square and cut it into a circle. So first fold it in half, fold it in half again. Your folds are on this side. Your raw edges, you want them all lined up over here. We're going to cut a circle and just draw a circle. The circle doesn't have to be perfect because it's all going to get stuffed in the top of the pumpkin. So just draw a little line and then cut. It's good to have long blade scissors to cut this easier, and you're cutting all 4 layers at once, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We have our fuzzy side down. Put your pumpkin on top. Again, make sure you have plenty of fabric, and you do. We're gonna hot glue on the bottom of the pumpkin. So just take a hot glue gun, put some hot glue on the very bottom. We're gonna let that sit there 1 minute to keep it in place while we wrap our pumpkin. Now we're gonna put glue on one side of your pumpkin. Just put it right on the pumpkin. It's easier to put it on the pumpkin than on the fabric. Pull it to the center and pull your fabric in. Now you're gonna do the opposing side. Do the same thing. Pull it, and just make sure you keep your fabric all kind of the fuzzy side. Don't let this side come up. And then you're going to do the other 2 sides. So just kind of move everything out of the way, add some glue. We're going to just leave these out. You're just trying to get the center inside. So now we have these little 4 sections. I'm gonna call them pumpkin ears, and we need to work on those. We're gonna do the same thing we did before. Put a little glue on your pumpkin. You're just going to do the same thing, and then just be careful, the glue is hot. I just burned myself. Just try not to burn yourself. And the hole is getting full, and that is okay. It's going to keep it, it's better that it's full because it's going to keep its shape instead of falling apart. And just do your last one. If you get any hot glue on the fabric, it'll come off later. So now your pumpkin is looking super cute. I love the texture of this fabric. You're going to get the stem that you had previously and just put some glue on it. Don't put too much. Put it right in where you started. You're going to hold this in place for a little bit because this really needs to stay in place, so hold it in place. So today we made our pumpkin using the solid rust from Shannon, and to start making the pumpkins I would suggest using a print or a solid. So we've got the solid rust, we've got black and white buffalo check, which is also a print. These are the easiest to use. We also use some different Luxe Cuddles. We've linked everything in the description box below. The Luxe Cuddle is thicker and it is gonna take a little bit longer and be a little bit harder to work with. So I would suggest starting out with a solid, make a pumpkin, share it with us at Fat Quarter Shop, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.